Hi guys, welcome back on Tech 8. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to pin chats on Snapchat. First of all, you can open the Snapchat application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the Snap icon bar at the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can just simply select the friend that you want to pin. I can select this friend, so now you can hold on the friend's name, and after this you can see the different options here. You can see the option pin as your number one best friend forever. Tap on it, and I can tell you, if you have a Snapchat premium, you can only pin to your friends. If you don't have a premium, you cannot pin your chats on Snapchat. First, you can buy your premium on Snapchat, and after this, you can pin chats on Snapchat. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.